If you get a beginner flute player, a beginner bassoon player, a beginner saxophone player, the bassoonist will have the best sound. If you have a reed that is decent, the difference between a beginner sound bassoon and a professional sound bassoon, let's say, is this distance. For the oboe, is this distance. For the flute, is even a bigger distance, because when you first start playing the flute, you probably can't even have a sound. You just have air coming out. So the bassoonists, we're already dealing with a better quality sound from the very beginning. If you have a teacher that's conscientious about that, and you can find a good reed, that's good.
You had this variety of sounds, from being very comedic, the burping bedpost, sometimes the bassoon is called, or you can sound almost like crying, the rite of spring. It's very, very haunting how you create that enormous variety of sounds.
It all boils down to the reed a lot of the times, and of course the instrument you use.